Yeah, its tongue is so pink too.
What's wrong, Holly?
Yeah, I just want to pet it. It's so little and it's so cute. Oh, it's coming closer to me. Oh, it's gonna, can it touch me? Is that okay? And then it was PIND life.
All right.
What?
Okay, Pam, tell us about PIND life and what that means.
PIND means village, and PIND life is just like a life of leisure and relaxation, unless you're the mummy. Mummy works really hard. So we went and visited my family, my mom's cousin and his wife. And
Is that because they don't have a puppy?
She's the puppy.
I guess she's the puppy.
She's the puppy.
Yeah, right.
And their kids, and we got to stay in the house for 4 nights and see their little haveli with their cows and stuff in it, and their buffaloes and their little chicks. And then I got to do a little family tour, and I dragged these two with me. A lot of visiting, a lot of chai, a lot of food. We got fed heavily everywhere we went. Yeah, it was
A lot of really nice people, but I had no clue what they were saying.
Yeah, so it was just more of a family visit, really low key, farm life. Yeah, Jut farm life is basically what it is. A life of privilege when you're a guest. You get to just relax and get your laundry done for you. And
I was dying.
Oh yeah.
I
Okay,
was
Holly,
dying.
tell us about your experience
I
with
was
that.
dying. They wouldn't let me do anything. They let me make my own tea once. I was like, I can do my own laundry. Nope. This Mami Jee is my hero. She like milks the buffalo
She's a
twice a
superhero.
day. She did all the laundry. She cooks. She cleans. She like.
Oh, and she's a computer.
She remembers
Her
everything.
memory
like,
is like unreal.
amazing. She was all over helping us get our measurements and our fitting and everything done for the suits that we had made, and like the woman is a machine.
And she giggles, like her laugh is so infectious. Like the whole time she's just laughing, this amazing laugh. And when she feeds you, you have to be careful when she comes around for seconds and thirds and fourths. You
Don't
do
make
not
eye
look
contact.
at her face or in her eyes, because you will say yes. And then yes again, and yes again. So Raj at one point was like, no boss, I'm done. And he's like, I almost looked at her and said, yeah, sure, I'll take another one. So close.
But I'm the one that does the laundry, and I'm the one that does the cooking, and I'm the one that takes care of everybody else. So to have somebody do that for me, I was grateful and I appreciated it, and it just about killed me.
Good for you for getting through that. Man, a month off work is nothing compared to that week. That was the hardest part for you, probably, eh?
Because that was the chillest time.
Oh yeah, I just wanted to do something, but I didn't want to touch the buffalo, so no milking the buffalo.
I did milk the buffalo though. That was fun.
What? You did
Or
not
cow.
milk the buffalo.
The cow.
Yeah.
With one hand, I got it out with one hand. Hello. Sorry.
Classic.
This hand wasn't so good. This hand worked great.
You should see Mami Jee work that thing, though. Holy cow.
Yeah, I thought I was doing okay until she stepped in to take over, and I was like, never mind.
Not fast.
That woman
Or
is
Mami Jee.
Yeah, that woman was a superwoman for sure. Yeah. She knows those teats.
Yeah.
For Raj and I, it was like being on a tour, like an eating tour of Punjab, and watching a movie without subtitles.
And then we went to a movie without subtitles. And it was a comedy called Full House 4. So was it the fourth one, or? Okay.
The movie theater experience was cool. We were in big recliners, and there's this guy who comes and brings you your stuff to the seats.
So that was pretty cool. You know, it was still funny. We didn't get, like, obviously most of the jokes, but some of the stuff you could tell what they were saying or whatever. It makes me curious about the first three. But anyway, I did really enjoy it. And but there was one song.
Bala.
I think the music video is like straight out of the movie, and it is pretty funny. I quite enjoyed it.
And Raj is quite enjoying being culturally relevant.
Yeah, I actually know like something that's
song.
going on right now, not just from the 90s. It's amazing.
Truly
It
fantastic.
seems exhausting though to like keep on top of these kinds of things, but this one,
Yeah.
got this one. So the song plays all the time everywhere we go now, and I know what it's from.
You even know the dance moves.
Just the one.
Just the one.
Yeah. I mean, I've only watched it the one time, but anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anything else
That's
from
it.
Pin Life?
Yeah.
We got some like
that's
temple
it.
tours and stuff like that, and
Yeah.
Mami Jee told us a little bit more about some of the different gurus and stuff that had been in the area and that kind of thing. So that's cool.
Yeah, we got a little Sikh tour of cultural,
Pam
religious
wants to
experience.
correct your pronunciation
Sick.
of that so much.
I know.
Yeah,
Sick.
I can see her saying it with her eyes. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. And then from there, I was coughing like crazy, and on to where do we go next?
Varanasi.
We actually just took a bus from over there to right here. Not only that, but we did a lap to do it.
Where we started?
An actual lap. Oh, and also, I really like that sign. This is the sign that I like. What a couple of weirdos. Is anybody else watching this? I think she's just getting away from them. If I just keep holding this, they'll keep doing things. I'm sure of it. That's the end? That's it?
Hand gestures. I see the shocker.
Oh yeah.
It might mean something else though. I mean, maybe.
Varanasi. Yeah. So we'll tell you about that later. Probably without the Taj behind us next time.
Maybe. We'll see.